Today we will see experiment number 11, synthesis of phenyl benzoate. Aim of this experiment to synthesize phenyl benzoate from phenol by acylation reaction. Then next objective, to learn the safe technique necessary for a person dealing with the medicinal compound, to learn how to handle equipments or glasswares, to learn the techniques needed for isolating, separating and purifying medicinal compound, to identify the unknown compounds, to take the data carefully. Then next, requirements: chemicals, phenol, sodium hydroxide, benzyl chloride, rectified spirit and methylated spirit. These 5 chemicals used for this synthesis. Then this is the observation table. Principle of this experiment: phenol reacts with the benzyl chloride or acetyl chloride in alkali solution. There is a formation of phenol benzoate or methyl benzoate. This is acylation reaction. This acylation or benzylation reaction is called as a Schotten-Baumann reaction. Benzylation of phenol in the presence of alkali leads to the formation of phenyl benzoate, and this reaction is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. Then see this reaction: phenol reacts with the benzyl chloride in the presence of alkali. There is a formation of phenyl benzoate. The next procedure of the preparation of phenyl benzoate or synthesis of phenyl benzoate. First step, dissolve 2.5 gram of phenol in 38 ml of 10% sodium hydroxide solution in the iodine flask. The next step, add 5.5 ml of benzyl chloride. Then cork the flask tightly and shake this mixture vigorously for 10 minutes. At the end of this period, the reaction is usually practically complete and solid product is obtained. When no smell of a benzyl chloride is detected, then the mixture is diluted with 20 ml of water. When solid products separate out, and this solid product filter under suction and washed with the water and dry this product. Then next step, recrystallize these crude esters from the hot methylated spirit by dissolving into hot methylated spirit. This methylated spirit is used for the recrystallization process. When cold, filter off the colorless crystal of phenyl benzoate and dry upon filter paper. Then report the yield and melting point. The yield of the product is 4.1 gram and melting point of this product is 69 degree Celsius. Then calculations: theoretical yield, practical yield. Then next, percentage practical yield, or draw the result.